In this video, I will show you how to make bootable media of Windows 11. First, you need one pen drive with minimum 8 GB space. Connect pen drive in your laptop. Make sure there is no data in pen drive. Then open google.com on any browser like Chrome. Open Chrome and type Media Creation Tool Windows 11. Link. You have to click first link, download Windows 11. Now you have to select create Windows 11 installation media and download now. Media creation tool will be downloaded in your download folder. Open download folder. There is a tool, media creation tool. You have to run. Now it will start and show getting things ready. Now click on accept for license term. Edition Windows 11. Untick the box. Use the recommended option for this PC. Click next button. Now it will start the application for the installation media creation. Now it will start and show getting things ready. Now click on accept for license term. You have to select the language English United States. Edition Windows 11. Untick the box. Use the recommended option for this PC. Click next button. Drive. Now choose which media to use. If you want to install Windows 11 on another partition, you need to create and then run the media to install it. You have to select USB flash drive. Click next. We have to select removable drives. I have a D drive in Windows. I have D drive in this system. Click next. Start to create the bootable pen drive. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to create the bootable pen drive. Now you can see that it will go to process 97%. It will take around 15 minutes. After 100% completion, your media is created for installation. Now 99% has been completed. And your USB flash drive is ready. It will Now you can see your pen drive is ready. Now you can see your pen drive is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.